hindi ko kaya itong corruption. Kasi baskin saang, if there's a table, if there's a single chair there, meron talaga yan. As the papers go back and forth inward, that is why nawalaan ako ng tiwala sa bureaucracy. Kaya sabi ko, nawalaan ako ng gana. At tulo, sabi ko, nagsisi ako. Kasi akala ko, within the constitutional powers na binigay sa akin, kaya ko. But truth to tell, kung araw-araw na lang, pati every table dito sa Pilipinas, ganon, hindi ko talaga mahabol. Kaya ko. Pero sa batas na ito, Constitution, even if you give me 20 years, I cannot do it. Maghanap uli kayo ng Marcos. Or someday, somehow, somewhere, that fellow will be elected in the generations to come. Pero kung sabihin mo mag-improve tayo beyond the level that we find ourselves, economically, politically, well, I'm sorry, I'm telling you, hindi dadating yan. Not even half what Hong Kong will be in 30 years. Sobra kasi ang, I don't know, but the Constitution that I'm not trying to criticize. It is as good as any. Mas mabuti pa kung wala. Talaga, yung kay Cory.